Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows out of gummy bears. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. About 100 grams of gummy bears, 60 milliliters of water, and 10 grams of unflavored gelatin. Next, prepare your baking dish. Lightly grease it and dust it with powdered sugar to prevent sticking. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started with the melting. Now, let's melt those gummy bears. Place your gummy bears and 60 milliliters of water into a heat-proof bowl. Set this bowl over a pot of simmering water, creating a double boiler. Stir the mixture constantly until the gummy bears have completely melted and formed a smooth, uniform liquid. Once melted, slowly whisk in the 10 grams of gelatin until it is fully dissolved. This ensures a consistent texture for your marshmallows. Once your gummy and gelatin mixture is smooth, carefully transfer it to the bowl of a stand mixer. Using a whisk attachment, whip the mixture on high speed for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll see it transform into a thick, fluffy, and pale marshmallow cream. This whipping incorporates air, giving it that classic marshmallow texture. Pour the whipped mixture into your prepared baking dish and allow it to set at room temperature for at least 4 hours or overnight. After your gummy bear marshmallows have fully set, it's time for the fun part, cutting them. Dust the top with a generous amount of powdered sugar to prevent stickiness. Use a sharp, greased knife or even cookie cutters to create your desired shapes. These homemade treats are wonderfully chewy and a unique twist on traditional marshmallows. They're perfect for snacking or sharing. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.